Hi everyone, this is Queenie, Katie, and Renee, and today we will be looking back on San Francisco geologic history. 500 million years ago, North America is a passive continental margin. At this time, the whole west coast of America, including California, is underwater. 200 million years ago, the oldest rock in San Francisco, chert, is formed. Also around this time, the California state rock serpentine is formed. Additionally, the movement of plate tectonics increases. 160 million years ago, the Farallone plate started subducting beneath North America. The plate was pushed into building mountain ranges such as the Rocky Mountains. It subducted along North America, starting from Alaska all the way to Mexico. Around the time when the plate started to subduct, basalt is forming. Once the ridge hit the plate, the basalt stopped forming because the basalt came from the ridge. 100 million years ago, sandstone greywacke is formed. Greywacke is a gray clastic sandstone, which is a sedimentary rock. 30 million years ago, the San Andreas Fault is created by the impact of the mid-oceanic ridge of the Farallones with North America and Los Angeles. 10 million years ago, the San Andreas Fault extends all the way to San Francisco. The San Andreas Fault causes a lot of earthquakes in California. 4 million years ago, the coastal ranges form because of pressure, which are also formed from subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the western border of North America. 2 million years ago, the Valley of San Francisco and Bay Area forms. 600,000 years ago, marine rocks and the first estuarine forms. An estuarine is when fresh water meets salt water. 50,000 to 10,000 years ago, the most recent ice age beaches out to the Farallones. This means the shoreline is beyond the Farallone Islands. 8,000 years ago, Platypus Ice Age. An ice age is a long period of time when there is a reduction of Earth's temperature, resulting in an expansion in Earth's ice sheets and the creation of alpine glaciers.
Hey besties, it's Katie from the future. While editing this very amazing video, I realized that we've made a mistake. The correct date for the next event is January 9th, 1857. Okay.
The Fort Tejon earthquake occurs with a moment magnitude of 7.9. It ruptured the southern part of the San Andreas Fault for a length of about 225 kilometers. On April 18, 1906, the Great San Francisco Earthquake occurs. In the 1960s to the 1970s, the theory of plate tectonics is developed and refined. In October 1989, the Loma Prieta earthquake occurs with a moment magnitude of 6.9 from Santa Cruz to San Francisco.